In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Mac Mini M4 to the Wi-Fi. So all we need to do at this point is to go on the top right side over here. And you're gonna see the Wi-Fi icon. Click on it. Then go all the way down where you see Wi-Fi settings. On the top, you're gonna see on which Wi-Fi network you're currently connected, if you're connected to any. If not, you need to go down, and where it says Other Networks, you're gonna choose the network you want to connect to. Then press the Connect button. Type the password of that network and press OK. Wait a few seconds, go up the page, and you should see a green dot with connected right under the network name, telling you that you're actually connected to it. You can press on Details on the right side, and the top option should be Automatically Join this network. So every time you'll be around this network, the Mac will try to connect to it without you having to go through any settings. It will be done automatically. If you want to disconnect yourself from this network and erase it from your Mac because you don't plan to connect to it anytime in the future, you need to press on Forget this network. If your Mac Mini has multiple networks around it that you want to connect to, let's say a printer, your Wi-Fi router, stuff like that, they will always be over here under Known Networks. And to switch between them, you just have to click Connect and it will connect to the other one. And then you can come back, click Connect and switch between them like that. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.